should you take yourself off of disability benefits? Short and simple, just tell Social Security. Now, I'm going to tell you this. When people come to me and say, I want to take myself off of disability benefits, I pause and I say, okay, first thing I want to know is why. You have a right to discontinue getting benefits. You can take yourself off at any time. But before you do, ask yourself why you're doing it. Is it because you no longer want to receive it? Is it because you found you a better job? Is it because you've decided that maybe you have another financial resources from other places, so you don't need this anymore? That's fine. Understand the reason why you're getting off, so this way you can know if there's any programs that are available to help you transition off the benefits. So let's say you found a job and you think, well, I got a job, I don't need this anymore. Well, if you haven't worked in a number of years, you might want to test the job market first. Just see what happens. Test the job market first, utilizing either one, the trial work period time, which is basically 9 months within a 5-year time period, or you can do the Ticket to Work program. Okay, but now, let's say that you don't want to hear all that noise. You've already decided that you want to get off the benefit. Great. Here's what I tell people if they're thinking about getting off benefits. 1, notify Social Security. Do it in writing. Call them as well, but make sure you do it in writing. Keep a copy that you've notified them. This way you have a document that you can rely upon that demonstrates the date that you notified them of your desire to discontinue your benefits. Send it certified. Keep a copy for your records. Second, there is a possibility that you may continue to get at least one more check or more. If you, after telling them that you want your benefits discontinued, get another check or so forth, don't spend it right away. Confirm with Social Security if that's the check that you're eligible to receive. If by some chance, like let's say you're in the middle of a month, you tell them you don't want any more benefits. They'll probably tell you, well, you'll probably get one more benefit. If you start to notice that you're still getting checks, please don't get into this attitude that, oh, I'm not getting benefits anymore, but they're still sending me money. This must be free money. No, because at some particular point, they're going to want that money back. So what I tell people is if you start noticing that you're still getting disability benefits, what you need to do is you need to not spend that money and contact Social Security again, verbally and in writing, and tell them, I'm still getting disability benefits. I told you guys I don't want. What do you want me to do with the money? And they will let you know what to do with this. Because the last thing you want is a situation where you're working and because you kept thinking that because you were getting Social Security checks that they must be just giving you free money, and then all of a sudden you get slapped with an overpayment, and then they start garnishing your work paycheck. It's not a sexy thing to have to go through. Okay, so you do have a right to stop disability benefits if your condition. Let me pause. You have a right to stop getting disability benefits if you so choose. Just make sure you're smart about how you protect yourself, so this way you will avail yourself of whatever resources they have to help you transition. And more importantly, if you decide to get off with cold turkey, that you don't put yourself in a worse financial spot because you're still getting benefits even after telling them you told them that you don't want it.
Tune in Monday when we talk about when should you change your disability representative.